Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Cad. Cooking with Cad, named after my two sons. This is Caleb. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb.
Behind the lens as always is Dustin. Say hi, Dustin.
Hi, Dustin.
All right, so tonight we are tickled to death as I think the last video we did, we let you know that we got a Blackstone 36-inch stainless steel griddle. We already seasoned it. We didn't do a video for that because there's a ton of great videos for that. Chef Johnny with Texas style barbecue and cuisine. He's the one that we did the seasoning. His video on seasoning his Blackstone griddle is fantastic. So thanks, Chef Johnny. We used it and I think it's gonna be fantastic. So anyway, Dustin, come over here. Let him show them what we are doing tonight. We are doing stuffed cheeseburgers. Mama's already pounded these out. She's got them formed. Oh, Caleb, don't touch that, Bubba. She's got them formed up nicely. Now what we're gonna do is get these about the same size.
Daddy, that's mine.
Yeah, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some bacon.
No, no, let's put it there.
Hold on.
Oh, good.
I'm gonna show you one. So we'll do this one here in the middle, right? Then on the other part, Caleb, don't touch it, it's hot. We're gonna push these cooked mushrooms in, just like that. Now the coup de grace is we're gonna put a piece of cheese. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this patty, boom, put it right on top. And Dustin, as you can see, we're gonna press it down. We've already cooked the mushrooms. The video will be out of sequence, but that's all right, because the next thing we do is we'll show you how we cook down the mushrooms, I'm sorry. So there you go, there's one stuffed burger. We're gonna do that to these other 4 patties. We're also gonna throw a Vidalia onion on the grill, and Dustin, come this way a bit. We're gonna use portobello mushrooms because we're trying to do keto, and this is gonna substitute the buns, for me at least, since we're doing keto. So anyway, we're gonna hop outside on the griddle and we'll continue making these bad burgers. So, Texas weather, it's always crazy, always unpredictable. As soon as we got done seasoning the Blackstone, guess what? It started raining. It's still raining right now, so we've moved this indoors, kind of, in the garage, because we want to get these burgers done because we are hungry, aren't we? We're hangry. So anyway, Dustin, come over and show them the Blackstone. We got it seasoned off, as you can see here. What we're gonna do first is add some thick slices of bacon. It's coming up to temp. You hear a little sizzle on there. For sizzle, my nizzle. Yeah, you hear that sizzle? Is this gonna be yummy?
Yeah.
I like using thick cut bacon for our burgers.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1,
You can hear that starting to sizzle.
3,
I'm gonna put these this way because I only have 2 burners on right now.
7.
Are you counting the bacon?
Yeah. 1,
Yeah, look at that. Slide in nice and easy.
1, 2.
Yeah, let's see, let's throw one up there.
God is on the moon.
Are you singing again?
But I know the other part's only with the movie.
Yeah.
You know, with the music.
There we go, we're starting to sizzle off pretty nicely.
God,
Moving it with my hand with no problem at all. We're gonna let that sit and do its thing. Interested to find out where the different hot spots are on this griddle. And as you can see, it's moving real nice and easy. So I think we probably did a pretty good job of seasoning. Once again, hats off to Chef Johnny with Texas style barbecue and cuisine. He has a fantastic video on how to season your Blackstone. So go check that out. Dustin, let's look at another thing over here. If Nikki will go this way and go get the grease pan collector before it starts dripping off too much. This is what I was talking about on the video about Blackstone's attempt to come up with a solution for the grease issue where it would roll down the legs. It's just this little part that you put in. It will defer the oil and grease down to here, and it'll collect in your pan. So we're gonna put that to the test. Dustin, come back over here. Check out all these pieces of bacon. Let's count them, Caleb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pieces of bacon. And really, that's only half of the Blackstone, so you could very easily fit 36 slices of bacon. Hold on. What, buddy?
Why do you have a band there?
Because I cut myself. Okay, Dustin, check this out over here. We've got some mushrooms that we're gonna stuff into our burgers. So we've got those sitting right here. We also have a drying rack over here that we are gonna transfer the bacon to when it's ready. Dustin, let's go ahead and start flipping some of these over.
Whoa, boy! It's bacon, boy.
You can see that grease from the bacon is gonna help season this Blackstone even more. Just like cast iron with this rolled metal top, the more you cook on it, the better seasoned it gets. So I'm gonna slide these over a little bit to the side, so that way we've got a little more room to cook on. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision, because it smells fantastic right now in our erogenous garagenous. All right, so we're gonna slide those. These I think we're gonna flip just a bit to the other side. You guys comment below, do you like your bacon crispy
Yes.
or not?
Yes.
I don't like it very crispy at all.
I do.
You do? You like it crispy?
Yes.
Mama likes it crispy. Dustin, how about you?
I like it chewy.
You like it chewy. See, me too. I like it a little chewy with a little crisp on it. So check that out. We are blowing and going on this Blackstone. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, since I've got some cooking space over here, I'm gonna turn on this third burner. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna, oh, you wanna help me with this, right? Go ahead and throw them on the grill. Over here. Throw it. We gotta put it, no. We gotta put it on the grill, Bella. Yeah, go like this, help Daddy. All right, there we go. So that will go on our trash pile. Now, hibachi. Ta 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 ta. I scared the cameraman. What's up, bro? All right, so now we're gonna roll these in a little bacon grease. I've got a little squirt bottle of oil, but I'm not gonna need it because I'm gonna use this bacon grease to get these mushrooms cooked up. Hibachi shrimp. Oh! Oh! You like that? Was that funny?
Yeah.
Alright. You thought that was funny. Is Daddy funny? Yeah? Alright, so we're looking good there. Bacon. Doing a nice job. These burgers are going to be lit. Alright, so we're going to let these cook. And we'll start assembling our burgers next. Back out in the garage again. We've got all our burgers ready to go. Caleb only likes meat and ketchup on his burgers. Dustin, listen to that. Alright, so there are Caleb's. Now check this out. We've got our stuffed burgers going on. Woo!
Yeah.
That sizzle for rizzle, my nizzle. All right, and I told you about the portobello mushrooms. That's gonna be my bun, if you will. That's gonna be delicious.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw on some onions over here in this grease.
Yeah.
Listen to that sizzle, Dustin Ray. That looks pretty legit, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so now what I'm gonna do And I'm gonna take a little garlic salt with parsley leaves. We love using this right on top of these burgers.
Right on top of these burgers.
A little on the portobello. Onions as well. And then we're gonna hit it with some coarse black pepper. Tell you what, if you've never cooked on one of these, it sure does put off some heat. All right, so stuff is looking good. Spatula, that's right. That's a good word for a 3-year-old.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Slides right off. We're going to season that now. Little magic there. This is fun, y'all. If y'all don't have a Blackstone, strongly recommend looking into one. So these are a little thicker. And let those cook a bit. Mushroom, I'm going to turn it over just a bit. That's going to be my bun. Look at that. All right, now we're going to season this just a little bit again.
And that's going to be my bun.
That's going to be yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Womp, 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 womp. Look at these onions coming along. Got some really nice color to them.
I don't like onions.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
You don't?
No,
We do.
I don't.
Onions looking good.
I don't want the carrot.
Looking good, y'all. All right, I think what we're gonna do, let's look at this burger. Look at that. Nice little char on it. Cheese is starting to ooze out. Dustin, come around to my side, this way. And get that money shot right there. Check out the cheese, y'all. Woo! These burgers are gonna be lit. All right, so I think Caleb's little mini burgers, we're gonna turn those over one more time. There we go. Dustin, let's check out the grease trap. Come over here and look at the solution they have. Working pretty well. Running right off where it needs to, and no drippage on the leg. So looks like that's gonna work out, y'all. So if y'all were thinking about not getting a Blackstone, especially with the grease trap in the front, the newer ones have the grease trap right here, buddy. Right here in the back. This, I guess, was an older one. That's probably why I got it cheaper. But if you've been hesitant of buying this model because of the grease issue running down the leg, this is working fantastically. Are you almost ready for some burgers? Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. All right, so Dustin, let's look at these onions. These are gonna be fantastic on the burger. You can see now, Dustin, look at these, how they have shrunk, and they've also dropped down a bit. I actually sliced them in half. Woo, look at that.
Man, this is a real bun.
Looks like a real bun. All right, so we've got that going. I'm gonna pull Caleb's burgers off, put them on the drying rack. I've got this 4th burner on low heat, so it'll keep things warm. I'm gonna also pull off the mushrooms, because they are done, son. So the only thing we have left is the burgers. Did I season them with salt and pepper at the top of these? I did? All right. My little assistant says yes. Dustin, check that out.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the cheese on the side, bro. I think those are going to be done, too. I'm going to put them right here. That's how easy it is, guys. And the last thing I'm going to do, I've got a plate over here that I've got ready to go. Gonna get all this goodness up. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Dustin, keep looking at those burgers over there, bro.
Alright. Okay, like sizzle, everything's looking good.
They're looking fantastic.
Caleb's over here in the
Alright, so check it out, guys. The onions are to our likings. The burgers are to our liking. And now we're gonna hop back inside and assemble these burgers. It's almost time to grub, y'all. Back in the kitchen, we're ready to assemble my keto stuffed bacon mushroom cheeseburger. All right, so Dustin, come and zoom in here. I'm gonna use this one for the bottom patty, if you will. I'm gonna dab it with a paper towel, get some of that grease off. Now check it out. Yes, sir. Look at that stuffed burger. Look at that. It was right on top like it was intended to. I'm gonna take some of these onions that we had, throw them on right there. And let's see, Dustin, let's look back at these mushrooms. I think I'm gonna use this one. Looks a little bit bigger. Bam. How about that, y'all?
No, that's a burger.
Keto-friendly, stuffed cheeseburger with bacon and mushrooms with a portobello bun. Check that out, Dustin. Get that beautifulness. So there you go, guys. We're gonna assemble the rest of the burgers. We're gonna eat some grub. Smash the thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe. Dustin's gonna put up in one of these corners our brisket video, because we're gonna give away one of our delicious slow smoked briskets to one of you lucky subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let us know what you'd like to see on our next cook on the Blackstone, and we'll see you on the next episode of Cooking with Cad.